that? How's the car?
It's good.
Yeah?
It runs. It doesn't idle well until it's like really warmed up.
Nothing happened. No illegal activities were done tonight.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. There was a cop that came by and
I was like, I'll reenact. Oh, you probably have the video. I like pulled up and I was like, all right, look left, look right. Cop was like, and I was just sitting there like pedaling, just like, and he's like this, and
you know
I'm like,
that meme with the cat that's like you revving your car trying to so it doesn't turn off.
that was me. And he's just like sitting there, windows open, just like looking at me, and I just see brake lights, and I was like, reverse.
Yeah, nothing happened today. The car is running good, he said. Did it get up to 10?
Yeah, I got up to 10 twice.
And it got up to 10 twice, and it didn't overheat. It didn't like kept going.
We revved it a bunch.
Revved it, no smoke, diesel, all that stuff. So we're pretty sure it's the rings. You already scheduled an appointment for?
I know it goes on the dyno in 2 days, so Friday at noon.
Friday it gets tuned. We find out the new numbers, and he hopefully gets the idle set up so that he doesn't have to pedal it anymore. And that will be it for the motor as it speaks. And then after that, it's just setting up all the other things we never even had the chance to tweak because we've been working on the motor the whole time.
Yep.
So I want to say Matt has done the whole thing himself, from disassembly to everything to get it to drive. So there you go. He did his whole program by himself.
Wow.
Hopefully it does well. What do you think it's going to make? Rough number.
I mean, on that dyno,
is it a Mustang dyno?
Yeah.
I think it's going to make 410. You think it's too much?
Yeah.
No, I think 410 is a good number. Well, with that cam, maybe less. Maybe.
No, it'll make like on this dyno.
380, 390?
It's a really low reading dyno. I think it'll make like 350.
No, I think it'll do like 390. On a good day, 410. Otherwise, 390. It's got to make 390. Come on. Okay, my LS1, that was a 5.7, made 380.
So it made 308 on the last dyno. Right?
Yeah, with 160 psi wet compression.
The thing is,
dry compression 180, 190.
The compression ring was good, and that accounts for 80% of the motor's compression. So
half of the compression ring was good.
We're only looking at 20% increase in power.
20% of 300.
20% of 300 is what, 60?
Yeah.
So around.
What did it make last? 310 plus 60.
So I said around 350.
370. This is what 370 is. What do you mean?
You're not going to perfectly increase numbers.
Yes, so it is.
I'm thinking around 350.
I think 390
Watch this.
or 410.
355 is what it's going to make.
If you want to guess numbers, guess them below, and then double check yourself if you're right or not. And then Matt now said he's gonna clean up, and he's gonna make sure the shop looks nice so we can keep using it.
I didn't hear that part.
Yeah.
My ears, it's so loud. Like, all the power, I can't hear anything. So
yeah, no, he said he's gonna clean up, and then we'll be able to utilize the shop again.
I gotta go.
All right, so
bye.
This thing is shaking to death because Matt just trampled it. And it's missing half a blade or multiple blades. I don't even know.
It was $5. You're just missing a couple bit.
1, 2, 3. They're all broken. Look at that one.
No, this one. See, we need a. Hold on.
No.
No, because it's unbalanced. We gotta
Then
balance
what's the
it.
point? It's not gonna blow any air if there's less
We gotta
spin.
balance it.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. We need a real fan. A real one.
This is a real one.
Do we have any fans out there? Because we need a real fan.
Hold on, look how much better balance it is.
You don't like my dad joke?
Look at that! Look how better balance it is.
It's worse! Why didn't you break that keeps hitting it?
We'll just let that ride. Hold on.
Oh! Matt, what are you doing?
Find some shade.
Finding some shade?
It was too hot.
Alright. This is gonna suck. Matt left the camera at the shop. And he says I left the camera at the shop, but he left the camera at the shop. So I put it in his car, and he thought that I was gonna use it to film something else. So he took it out of his car, put it on my car.
It's not my camera. It doesn't belong in my car.
I put it in there so he wouldn't forget it. The car's gotta come here. Anyways, we're here at the Dyno. We're using the iPhone. Hopefully it's not horrible footage. And what's the name of the shop? Gringo Speed?
Gringos, Locos, Dinos, Tunas.
Yeah, Gringo Speed. You get speed and tacos at the same time.
Smells nice.
$400. That's what you're gonna make. $420.
I want 420.
Actually, it might be up there, $440 or something, because it's a Dyno jet.
Don't get my hopes up.
So our man Jester from Jestr Tuning is here.
What's up, homie?
He's the one that's gonna be tuning the car. He was calibrating the wideband because obviously Matt forgot to do so, like always. And he's gonna set up the whole HP tuner thing and get us ready to go. LQ9 this whole time, but it turns out it's an LQ4 with the dish pistons, which means it's a little lower compression than the LQ9. So that's rated around 300 horsepower stock, and this with that comp cam, drift cam, it did 345. So that should tell you what that cam is capable of. That is the only power out of this car has. It doesn't even have a throttle body, which is the simplest add-on that you can do, and it still has a stock one. So the only difference here is the cam. So that's pretty good. Jestr Tuning did a great job. He cleaned up the throttle and he cleaned up the blips and idle. No more of those little poppies or backfires or whatever. You should go check him out on his Instagram. And we're at Gringo Speed. It's a pretty awesome place. G-Speed, they have a sick Dyno jet, so you should come check them out if you ever need anything. Megan, of course, came to hang out and do nothing all day.
Support, moral support.
Supervising.
It runs good. I have no excuses to lose unless something else dumb breaks.
That's it. If it stays running this good, you gotta win. This is the round where you start winning.
I won qualifying.
That's not winning.
And I won
It's just
practice.
qualifying. You qualified.
I know. I mean, I win something because I get points for being top qualifier.
I know. You gotta win now.
I'm just gonna win this AC.
None of this. No, I don't have enough power. Blah, blah, blah.
Dude, I never said I didn't have enough power. I didn't have enough power when the car broke.
Exactly. When the car was fouling plugs. So no more fouling plugs. It was good now. Runs good. And we're gonna go testing next week. So we can.
By next week, I mean, pull it off the trailer when I get home. Go do some pulls.
I mean, that's
I'm
up
gonna
to
add
you.
to your.
Just make sure you look right first, then left. See if that cop is there.
It's too hot. Don't touch me.
I'm trying, man. This AC's blasting.
This is gonna be the end of this video. We're all too hot, too tired. That was Matt at the dyno. In a good car. He has no excuses now. And I don't know. See you guys next time. Bye.